Today we're diving into a modern classic that pays homage to one of the most iconic cars of all time. Meet the 2025 Jaguar E-Type, a stunning piece of engineering and design. Finished in sleek black, this car combines cutting-edge technology with the timeless elegance Jaguar is known for. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 E-Type a true masterpiece. From the first glance, you can tell that Jaguar has stayed true to the E-Type's heritage while seamlessly integrating modern styling. The black paint glistens in the sunlight, showcasing the car's smooth, sculpted bodywork. Its aggressive front grille, slim LED headlights, and low, wide stance give the E-Type an undeniable presence on the road. The signature curves and long bonnet that defined the original E-Type are still here, but now, with a more aerodynamic finish, you can't help but admire the contrast of chrome accents against the bold black exterior. Inside, the 2025 E-Type is where luxury and technology converge. Jaguar's meticulous craftsmanship is evident in every detail. The cabin features plush leather seats, which can be customized in a variety of colors, and polished wood accents that give it a vintage feel, balanced with a modern touch. The digital dashboard is a masterpiece, with a large central touchscreen offering seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while maintaining the classic analog feel with minimalistic dials. It's clear Jaguar wants to offer you both a nod to the past while providing everything you expect in a modern driving experience. But a Jaguar isn't just about looks, it's about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 ET5 boasts a 4-liter V8 engine capable of producing 550 horsepower and reaching 0 to 60 mph in just 3.7 seconds. The handling is razor-sharp, and whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling tight corners, this car has the agility and power to make every drive an exhilarating experience. The adaptive suspension system ensures that whether you're enjoying a smooth ride on the freeway or pushing it on winding roads, you'll have a stable and controlled experience. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Jaguar E-Type comes with a starting price of around $120,000 for the base model, with the higher-end variants reaching upwards of $150,000. While that might seem steep, considering the heritage, luxury, and performance you're getting, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to own a piece of automotive history. Plus, with Jaguar's focus on the latest tech and premium materials, you're not just buying a car, you're buying an experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type proves that the legacy of the original model is still alive and kicking, but with a modern twist. From its breathtaking design and luxury interior to its powerful performance, this car delivers on every front. It's not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of automotive excellence. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a Jaguar, the 2025 E-Type might just be the car to make that dream a reality. Thanks for tuning into this review of the 2025 Jaguar E-Type. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest cars. Until next time, drive safe and keep dreaming.